Hello, future toppers. Let's make maths simple, intuitive, and fun together. So, we got wholesome new problem which says if vector A and vector B are two unit vectors such that this vector and this vector are perpendicular, okay, to each other. So look at this. Whenever they will talk about perpendicularity of two vectors, two lines, or two planes, we should think about dot product, because in dot product we use cos theta and theta becomes 90, so cos theta will produce 0. Okay, so if vector a plus 2b dot with 5a minus 4b is perpendicular, this means its dot product will be 0. Okay, and we need to find out the angle between a and b. Let's do it. So if you will multiply a with a, you will be having 5 times mod a square minus 4 times a dot b plus 10 times a dot b. A dot b and b dot a are same thing, minus 8 times mod b square. Okay, and this is equal to 0. You know that vector a and vector b are two unit vectors, so magnitude a magnitude b will become 1. So it is 5 minus 4 times, this is 6. Okay, so it will become 6 a dot b. So mod a mod b, then cos theta ab means theta between vector a and vector b minus 8 equals 0. So it is 5 minus 8 is 3, so 3 that side, and we have 6 times cos theta ab. So can I write cos theta ab as 1 by 2, and cos produces 1 by 2 at 60 degree, means pi by 3. So can I say that the angle between vector a and vector b is 60 degree? Okay, I hope the idea is clear and you guys can handle similar situations. So see you guys in next session of Mathflix.